If your security system looks like Swiss cheese, you're inviting trouble. Let's talk about what we learned from the CrowdStrike incident. In 2024, the CrowdStrike incident was a wake-up call for many businesses. So, what happened? Hackers exploited a vulnerability in their Falcon platform, gaining unauthorized access. Scary, right? First lesson, always patch your software. Seems basic, but even the big players sometimes miss this. Regular updates can close those pesky holes hackers love. Next, multi-factor authentication. It's not just a buzzword. CrowdStrike learned the hard way that single-factor authentication is like leaving your door unlocked. Adding extra layers can make a huge difference. Third, monitoring and response. CrowdStrike had systems in place to detect unusual activity, but the speed of their response was crucial. Real-time monitoring isn't just for show, it can save your data. Finally, transparency. CrowdStrike was upfront about the breach, which built trust with their clients. Honesty in cybersecurity can go a long way in maintaining credibility. So, to wrap it up, patch regularly, use multi-factor authentication, monitor constantly, and be transparent. The CrowdStrike incident taught us that even the best can have vulnerabilities, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Stay safe out there, cyber warriors.